My name is Peter Ackerman. I'm the owner of Rhapsody Sandwich Company based out of Londonderry, New Hampshire. We started to get ready to franchise this model. Like I had mentioned, we had built this from ground up to be a franchisable model. So I automatically knew we were going to be out there looking for a service that could provide what we needed to bring this to the next level. And I'll tell you that one of the things that really drew me to Big Sky Franchises was I was doing business with a human being, not with a company. You can go to do business with anybody out there in a company, but to find someone like we found with Big Sky, to really draw that to a position of doing business one-on-one with someone who understood what we were talking about, who's flexible enough on time frame, flexible enough with understanding what our day-to-day challenges were with running our business on a day-to-day and still having to do this separately. That's really what made Big Sky special to us.